Yeah, this is what I was getting concerned about. Is it metal? Or is it just rust? Magnet. It just seems to be rust. It's not sticking out flaking metal, so that is good. So we're going to clean those tubes out. See what gives. Yeah, see all that's here? They say these do condensate quite badly. Oh, there's loads of it, look. Do you know something? I'm going to put the camera down a little bit. Well, not camera, but put the light down a bit. Oh, that's beautiful. Bernard Matthews would say that was beautiful. Oh, that's a lot better. Look at this here. It's a real poo fest. Look at that. Look at this. So I came up with this idea. I got one of those fibre brushes and I put it on a piece of copper pipe with a drill bit stuck in here, so it's got something to clamp to, and hopefully, if I move this camera back here, we should be able to clean this tube out. Let's cool down a bit now. You have to get it over the weld, that's the problem. There, ring. A bit of brake cleaner. Yeah, well, the only thing is I've got to get it out now. In fact, I've got another idea. If I lift this up one notch to get the fluid going that way, even better. Oh, nice. That's so nice in there. There where I can trip over it then. Where are you? There you are. Yeah, that's looking a lot better. Looking real good. Filth. Filth. The thing is that you could easily do this at home. There's no excuse, because like I say, if you've got to put new bearings in, you want to make sure everything's clean. And not everybody's got access to steam cleaners and things like that. Just get all that through out. Now the nice thing about using brake cleaner is it will eventually dry. And you can blow it out quite easily with a brake gun. You know, even though I could have taken it outside and steam cleaned it, I couldn't get that rust that's stuck to the top. And if I could sandblast it, yeah, what a mess about that is. I could, but that's lovely now.